As some of you may know, I will be adding instant locks to my 2020 service, a list of my new services that I will be offering. But I just wanted to show you guys this 3-prong crochet hook, which I was testing it out on this Marley hair because I'm actually going to, I think I'm going to do a line of the synthetic dreads that people can, you know, they'll last forever. Like you can put them in your hair and take them, you know, take them out and reuse them as many times. Like, you know, whenever you want the faux lock style, you can just pull your locks out and reuse these instead of having to repurchase new hair and you know, go through the whole process again. So I just wanted to come and show you guys this 3-prong needle and also the technique. So basically what you want to do is go in with this and pull the hair that's on the opposite side through the center part. And you're just going to repeat that until you reach the bottom. And then when you reach the bottom, it's a little harder when doing it with synthetic hair. But I tried the 3-prong needle just so that I can get done faster. Or, you know, so that I can do more sections of the dread faster. Because if I'm going to be creating them on longer hair and on synthetic hair, I wanted to use something that's going to get me further along quicker. So basically you're just taking this, and these hairs that are on this side are going to come through the center, and then you just keep bringing it through. You just stick it through and pull the hairs in to the center. And as you continue to do it, you will see that the lock is beginning to form. Now, of course, I previously did this upper portion, but I'm just doing it slow so you guys can see what's actually happening. You want to twist it, pull your pieces through as you're twisting. Just let it hook on naturally and pull the pieces through. Let it hook on naturally to the hair and pull the pieces through. Let it hook on naturally and pull through. Let it hook on naturally and pull through. Let it hook on naturally and pull through. Poke it through, pull it through. Poke it through, pull it through. All while twisting, doing the twisting motion. Poke it through, pull it through. Poke it through, pull it through. Poke it through, pull it through. Now see how I'm using my left hand to twist as I'm doing this motion? And it is naturally just creating the lock cylinder. I've been doing locks for a very long time, for years, and I have a few lock clients, but I am opening up my book 2020 to new lock clients. So as you can see, this is becoming more dread-like as I continue to twist and hook and pull. If you're trying to learn this technique, I would recommend trying it on an actual piece of synthetic hair first, because you can get in the swing of it and get the hang of it and figure out exactly how you want to go about doing this method. Everybody does it differently. Yours may not look like anybody else's. Every stylist is different. If you prefer for yours to look a certain way, I recommend that you go to the stylist that you see doing the service that you like and go about it that way. That's the best way to get the service that you want. So see how that's coming along? So now I'm more towards the end, and I'm just going to continue twisting and hooking. Poke it through, pull it through, 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 all while doing a twisted motion. Poke it through, pull it through, 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 poke it through, pull it through. Now you don't have to do a whole lot. It's not a lot of elbow grease required. Like, you don't gotta be doing it all extra hard and crazy. I mean, when you pick up speed, of course, you might get a little bit more crazier and it might get a little bit more rough on your hands. But, you know, just take your time and just do it more in a therapeutic fashion. Poke it through, pull it through, twist. Poke it through, pull it through, and twist. Poke it through, pull it through. Now, I use my hand, my finger behind the lock as a foundation, just so I know that I'm poking it where I want and pulling it through where I want, and so that it's easier to go through the actual hair. So, again, I'm just using this piece and doing this so you guys can actually see what I am actually doing, which is not much, but you just poke it through and pull the hairs through to the other side. Poke it through, pull it through, and twist. 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 Poke it through, pull it through, 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 twist, poke it through, pull it through. Now, as we attempt to reach the end, you're still going to continue the same method, but what you really want to do is more than likely switch to your smaller needle or to your 1 or your 2 hook needle, and you want to take your ends. I'm trying to get it as close to the end as possible before I do this part. So you just want to take your end and kind of just take your end and kind of just do your same motion. Poke it through, pull it through, poke it through, pull it through, poke it through, pull it through, poke it through, poke it through, pull it through. Poke it through, pull it through. Now this end is not going to do like natural hair would, since of course it is synthetic. But I'm going to continue to cap this off until I reach my desired look. And then we are going to get into a little palm rolling to smooth out the fuzzies. But again, I'm just doing the same method, poking it through and pulling it through until I work all my pieces, my loose pieces, into the lock. So basically, this is what the end is going to end up looking like. And that is pretty much it. Okay, so now that that's all said and done, the little fuzzies that you see, we're just going to palm roll that down to smooth it out. The friction and the heat that you create with your hands is going to smooth out the lock. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully this helps somebody. And if you would like to know where I got these from, they actually came in a set of 3. Just let me know and I will let you know. Thank you for watching.